Okay, so you're looking for a way to get a free credit report. Duane here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this video, I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can get your free credit report. But before we get started, I have a quick... Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV. This channel offers 100% free information about how to build credit, how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. We also talk about everything you need to know about credit, whether you're looking to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or learn more about the Fico Score and how it is comprised so you can increase your credit score. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. As a matter of fact, subscribing to our channel right now will help our channel grow faster, which will allow us to, number 1, get this information out to more people. Number 2, monetize our channel. And number 3, make it a lot easier to continue to upload videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. All right, now that we have all of that out the way, there are a lot of ways that you can access your free credit report. In this video, I'm just gonna give you 3 free ways that you can do so, and I'm gonna use my computer for this portion of the video. So give me 1 second and I'll see you guys over on my laptop. Okay, so we're at the first site where you can get your free credit report. The website is freecreditreport.com. Simple enough, straightforward, right? So this says right here, your Experian credit report is completely free. See it now. No credit card required. Includes your free credit report updated every 30 days on sign in. And this site looks really simple and clean. I love the way it looks. It's white, it's bright. It talks about things you'll see on your free Experian credit report, your account history. This is your payment history and status of real estate installment and revolving credit accounts. You'll see hard inquiries. A credit check by a lender or landlord is called a hard inquiry and will show on your credit report. You will also see potentially negative information. This includes loan defaults, late payments, delinquencies, charge-offs, collections, and public records. This site is it's really clean and just simple. You don't need any credit card to get your free credit report. So in other words, when you're trying to access the free credit report at this website, you don't need to put in your credit card information, which is always very good. So this is one of the ways that you can get your free credit report. You can go to freecreditreport.com and check it out. Once again, it's simple, it's clean. There's a lot of information here about your credit report. As you can see, of course, there's also credit offers, credit cards, auto loans, personal loans, and stuff that you may not necessarily be interested, but they have to have it here on their site because that way they can make some money off of you, right? So this is one of the ways that you can check your credit score for free. The other way here is by going to this website, which is annualcreditreport.com. You can check your credit report for free with annualcreditreport.com. Their website, same kind of deal. This one, I don't think you actually choose which credit bureau that you actually see your credit report from. It says brought to you by Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. But this is a free request also. I have used this one before in the past. This website is, there's a lot less going on right here initially, but there's a lot of tabs that you can click on and find out more information. There's all about credit reports tab here on the top left. There's a request your credit report, of course, and it says what to look for, protect your identity, frequently asked questions, and of course you can contact them. So this is another way that you can access your free credit report by going to annualcreditreport.com. There is one more way that you can access your free credit report, and I will talk to you guys about that when I see you in the video. Give me 1 second. Okay, so the third way to get a free credit report is when you're rejected for a credit card. Normally the credit bureau that they use to pull your credit report will submit a letter to you saying that these are the reasons why you were rejected for this particular credit card. You can contact that credit bureau and ask to get a copy of your credit report. So that's another free way that you can access your free credit report. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please feel free to do so. We talk about everything that you need to know regarding credit, whether you're looking to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or learn more about the Fico Score and how it is comprised so you can increase your credit score. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll answer it as soon as I see it. Also, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.